Hello guys, and welcome to another Fantasy Premier League tutorial video. In this video guys, I will be showing you guys how you can create your own league in Fantasy Premier League. So let's get right into it, since it's a very easy process when you actually enter the mobile app. And let me just state a disclaimer, I will be referencing everything through the mobile app. I think doing this on the mobile, or rather on the browser version, is a bit different, so I will just be sticking to the application for now. Now, when you actually enter the application, you will be met by the latest screen, and once you're at the latest screen, what you want to do is click on the fantasy icon in the bottom with the player shirt, and once you click it, you will be met by this screen. The way you actually create a league is by going down here to your Leagues and Cups section. While you're here, what you want to do to further on the process is click on Configure Leagues. Once you click that button, you will be met by this screen, and here you have the button, as you can see on the very top, to create or join new leagues and cups. And you click on this, and you want to click on create a league and cup. Once you click on that, you can pick either classic scoring or head-to-head scoring. It really doesn't matter, it depends on your preference. Both of the methods of scoring are explained here, so I won't be going over that. But let's say for tutorial's sake, let's click on the create a league and cup for classic scoring. Here I want to enter a name, let's say tutorial, for Cyrillic, tutorial team or tutorial league 2. And once I entered that, I can pick when the scoring starts, whether in game week 1 all the way through game week 38. Let's pick game week 1, and once I entered all of that, I just want to click create. And once you click create, your new league will be created, and then you can invite your friends or just do whatever you want with that league. That would be it from me guys. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Excuse me, this thing just went wild. But yeah, I hope you learned something new, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.